Shalom family, let's clear the smoke before it blinds the crowd. I just watched Rick Strassman on Joe Rogan and wow, if you don't know your scriptures, you could get swept away. So let's set the record straight, detail by detail. The Moabite confusion. Rick says Yahushua came from Moabite lineage. Wrong. Way wrong. Here's the truth. Ruth was a Moabite, yes, but she married Boaz of the tribe of Judah. Their son Obed, then Jesse, then David, all Judah. Tribal inheritance follows the father, not the mother. So Messiah is Judah through and through, fulfilling Genesis 49:10. The scepter shall not depart from Judah. Ruth's story isn't about changing Messiah's tribe. It's about covenant mercy. A Moabite grafted in by faith, but the line stays Judah. The name debate, Emmanuel versus Yahushua. Isaiah 7:14 says, "A virgin shall conceive and bear a son, and they shall call his name Emmanuel, God with us." Matthew 1:21-23 explains it. The angel told Mary and Joseph, "You shall call his name Yeshua, Yahushua, for he will save his people from their sins." Then Matthew adds, "This fulfills Isaiah. They shall call him Emmanuel." Catch it. Emmanuel is his title, who he is, God with us. Yahushua is his name. What he does, HW saves. Two sides of the same coin, his identity and his mission. The Father's name on the cross. Even his crucifixion bore the Father's name. HUWH, Yod, hand, Hey, behold, Vav, nail, Hey, behold. Behold the hand, behold the nail. Psalm 22, they pierced my hands and my feet. They cast lots for my garments. Zechariah 12:10, they will look on me whom they pierced. On the cross, Yahushua literally embodied the name of his Father. Resurrection, Tanakh versus Talmud. Strassman leans on Talmudic tradition which denies Messiah's resurrection. But the Hebrew Bible itself? It shouts resurrection. Daniel 12:2. Many who sleep in the dust shall awake. Isaiah 26:19. Your dead shall live, their bodies shall rise. Psalm 16:10. You will not abandon my soul to Sheol, nor let your Holy One see corruption. The apostles weren't inventing resurrection. They were preaching what David and Isaiah already saw. The veil and the angel of Yahuwah. Why does Strassman miss it? Because Paul said in 2 Corinthians 3, a veil lies over their hearts when they read Moses. Messiah is all over the Hebrew Bible. The angel of Yahuwah in the burning bush. The commander of Yahweh's army before Joshua. The word of Yahuwah that John says became flesh. But if you read through rabbinic filters, you'll never see him. Family, don't let slick podcasts rewrite the word. Yahushua is not Moabite. He is Lion of Judah. His name is Yahushua. YHWH saves. His title is Emmanuel, God with us. His cross bore the Father's name. Behold the hand, behold the nail. His resurrection was prophesied long before the Talmud ever existed. So when someone tries to sell you a half-truth wrapped in scholarship, remember, the Hebrew Bible already told the whole story. And the story points to one man, Yahushua, the Messiah.